I absolutely love my job. I love being around entrepreneurs, people who start stuff from scratch. And often I'm with them from week in to week out. And this past week, I was able to be with two co-founders. Shane and I were with a business that has a unique model and approach to the construction world and how they operate. And hopefully they become one of our clients. But I learned a couple things that are good reminders for you and for me. They were so passionate. I mean, it's exciting to watch people with passion do the things that they love to do. And there was a formula that I discovered, because when you watch them, everything that they need is coming to them. And they started with nothing, no money, from scratch. Just had a great idea, began to work on it after work, the two co-founders, but their passion, their increasing passion pulled the right people and it created the process. And this formula is so true. If you're out there and you want to start something, or you're starting something, or something you start got stuck, this formula, it works every single time. You might not have all the resources in the world, but if you start with increasing passion, a burning desire to accomplish the dream that you have, increasing passion, you add limited resources. You don't have the biggest budgets, you don't have everything you need yet, but if you take increasing passion, add that with your limited resources, you will make some awesome innovations to whatever it is that you are called to do. And we've watched this business in the last 9 months. They just got started, great idea in the construction, restoration, insurance part of the industry. They turned it into already, they've served 2,000 different claims in their business because they have increasing passion. They have 10 different employees. Their passion has created this urgency to create a work environment where people, they want their employees to want to come to work. Imagine that. Actually having owners and CEOs that are creating a culture where they want you to want to be there, so that they don't have high turnover, that the services that they offer their clients, that there's no lapse and it keeps flowing because their employees are so critical to their process. And so awesome to see CEOs and founders, they want to create an awesome experience for their employees. So not only do they have great passion, but they have great people there, hustling, working hard. They created a compensation package on top of each of the employees' salaries. If they work hard, they get rewarded for their work, which is awesome to see. And the last thing is they have a great process. Like, they are super concerned about automation. They're super concerned about their systems. It's everything to them. And so they're always constantly refining them, working on them. They have great people. They have great process, and they have great passion, and this business is set up for success.